with unnecessary lane changes. Up ahead, I see a big truck move to the left lane. That's my first sign something is amiss. If a big truck or a bunch of cars suddenly switch lanes, it's a good indication something is obstructing the lane they are in. Today, it's a beer truck. The blue car behind me does not get the memo. They're not paying close attention to what's happening up ahead. As you can see, we trade lanes, and then they realize maybe that wasn't the best idea.
Lacking in the critical thinking area, you see?
Next up, we have another blue car intent on being a twit. It really pains me to see all this bad blue rep, but whatever. Not sure why they felt the need to pass that car. People be in a hurry to get to a red light, that's for sure.
Is that really necessary?
Don't you love it when people can't decide where they want to go?
Hey!
The best prevention to indecisive drivers is a good space cushion. Gives you time to react, and not in a road ragey kind of way. I've been hit a couple times by people deciding to reverse when they should clearly be going forward, so I lacked a lot of faith in this woman.
Oh, Lord, lady, you better take it out of reverse. Oh, she's mad at him. This bitch is gonna fucking forget it's in reverse. I'm gonna have to honk at her. What is she mad at? She's gonna take off and she's gonna hit me. Dumb bitch, get moving.
Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you need tips on how not to be an idiot driver.